Fireflies.ai has become a leading AI-powered transcription platform, especially known for its enhanced video transcription capabilities. There are several ways to upload your video files to Fireflies. The most straightforward method is direct upload by dragging and dropping video files onto the Fireflies dashboard. You can also integrate Fireflies with popular meeting platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams for automatic uploads during your meetings. For additional convenience, you can email video files directly to your dedicated Fireflies address, or use API uploads for enterprise-level automation. Once your video is uploaded, Fireflies automatically begins the transcription process using advanced AI models that achieve over 95% accuracy for clear audio. Fireflies provides powerful features, including speaker identification to distinguish between different participants, precise timestamp integration for easy navigation, and automatic keyword detection. Additionally, Fireflies performs sentiment analysis to detect emotional tone in conversations and automatically extracts action items and tasks from your meetings. The result is a comprehensive transcript with AI-powered insights that transforms your video content into searchable, actionable information. Once your video is transcribed, Fireflies.ai provides multiple export options to fit your specific workflow needs. For basic text needs, you can export transcriptions in standard document formats, including TXT for plain text, DocX for Microsoft Word compatibility, and PDF for universal sharing. For video editing workflows, subtitle formats are essential. SRT files provide simple timestamp text, while VTT files offer more advanced features, including styling and metadata support. For data analysis and integration purposes, structured formats like JSON and CSV allow you to work with transcription data programmatically or import it into spreadsheet applications. Beyond file exports, Fireflies.ai integrates directly with CRM systems and project management tools, allowing seamless workflow integration without manual file handling. Security and reliability are paramount. Fireflies.ai operates on AWS cloud infrastructure and maintains SOC 2 Type 2 certification and GDPR compliance to protect your sensitive data. Mobile apps for iOS and Android provide full functionality, allowing you to access, review, and export your transcriptions from anywhere with complete feature parity to the desktop experience. With transcription accuracy rates between 95 and 98% for clear audio, Fireflies.ai significantly reduces manual transcription time and costs, making it an invaluable tool for businesses, educators, and content creators.